Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Creative Workshop of Oksana Akuska. Today I want to present my logo, Girl on the Balloon, which flies to discover new creative horizons. I will be happy to take you with me and create new drawings together. Girl on the Balloon represents freedom of creative ideas, inspiration and new impressions that will sparkle with bright colors in your drawings. And remember, creativity is an ability to have fun. Never be afraid of anything. At last, let fear be your inspiration. However, if you want to fly, you need to let go everything that pulls you down. Enjoy the process of creating my logo with me. If you have any questions, you can ask me them in the comment section. I will answer all of them. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, so that you don't miss my coming video. See you soon!